Oh, Mott.
Right, Saturday the 27th of July 2024.
Right.
We got recruit Chris with us.
Hey.
Yes, in charge of all the important kit. Yeah, we got Drill Sergeant Andy.
Respect that.
Yeah, ain't gonna mess around today, you. Girls.
Make sure you ain't yourself.
That's Alexa in the green. That's my oldest daughter.
Shimmy!
And then you got Georgie Porgy. Well, Amelia. Twin number 1. Georgie. Twin number 2. Right, girls. What's the important thing about camping? What must we do?
After you stop!
After you've had a pee. Okay, go and have a quick pee. And to be continued. Yeah. How are you feeling, Anne?
Oh, I'm in my helmet.